Unlike Europe, America's been a little bit slower to adopt industrial print technologies into their manufacturing process. But where we're seeing it adopted the fastest and the most is on the packaging side. That's flexible packaging, it's printing on corrugated surfaces, it's advanced printing on labels. In addition to the packaging side, we're also addressing the decorative market and the functional manufacturing markets. As everybody sort of wants to get their, shoes personalized or their, t-shirts personalized.
And I think from our point of view, the next step for us is really the American market. It seems at the moment very strong. It's a great manufacturing nation. And we know that the applications that we've seen very much in Europe will transfer completely over to the American market.
The interesting thing with industrial printing is it's the only printing market that's got huge growth potential. Partly because it's linked to general consumer growth. So people are buying products, they need print within that, print is growing, but also the manufacturing industry is changing.
We take an object, basically any object, and we have the opportunity to personalize it. At this moment you can now personalize and decorate any object and create an added value towards an object that was not there before.
We have people printing on wine seals and printing on license plates, a lot of different applications. All of them have great growth potential in the United States. And we have a crisis of opportunities. We've got more opportunities than we can deal with at this point. It's a matter of picking the right ones to help our customer help their business.
The US market is really exciting for us and inkjet as a whole because there's so much manufacturing that takes place in the USA. Not only that, there's a real interest in innovation and new development. So there's a real appetite for R&D and new innovation within America. So we have a lot of customers in the States. We're hoping to grow our customer base over there, and we're looking forward to introducing our technology into that marketplace.
If you look at the US, you have one big market, a very big market that wants to personalize, wants to have their own identity, that want to show off that they're a person, that they're a being, that they're different. Now, with industrial print going digital, we can see these movements happening. We can see this personalization happening on a global scale, on a bigger scale, where somebody in the Midwest would have a totally different type of product than somebody in Florida or somebody in Boston. These things are making industrial print interesting. They're making industrial print different. And this is what's happening into this market over the years, going digital. Digital is really the way for the future.